What's up? Bill DeWeese, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. I'm coming to you I'm actually on vacation right now. I'm in Hilton Head, South Carolina. That's why my digs look a little different than they usually do. In tomorrow's video, I'll give you a tour and I'll show you exactly how I have things set up and hopefully give you some thoughts and ideas as you may put together or work on, your own mobile rig. But today I wanted to talk to you about, did you see the Grammy Awards last night? I didn't. I'm just not, I don't watch the Oscars. I don't watch the Grammys. Not that I don't enjoy movies or enjoy music. I do, very much so. I just not really big into award shows. However, I do know that a couple of the big winners last night have something in common. And that is that their music was recorded from their home studios. Now, for instance, Lil Nas X, Old Town Road, recorded at a home studio. I think Billie Eilish's entire album was recorded, if I'm not mistaken, from home. These are two huge mega platinum recording artists whose music is being recorded from home studio with affordable software and affordable gear. There is a massive change happening, and it's been going on for a while, but it used to be, if you were going to record a great album, it had to be done in a multi-million-dollar studio. You had to go to LA or New York or maybe someplace else, but it was going to be a multi-million-dollar studio. That's just not the way it is anymore. Technology has changed things, so it's a complete revolution. So what does that mean to me and you? Well, if you have any hesitation about setting up home studio because you're intimidated by it, or, you hear people, who love to talk about microphones and interfaces and plugins and it intimidates you, or you think you have to do this, that, or the other to be acceptable, to create acceptable audio. That's ridiculous. Absolutely not. When somebody starts throwing a bunch of high-tech terms at you, just smile and walk away, because the truth is it's accessible to everybody now. And like I said, tomorrow I'll give you a tour of my setup. You talk about home studio. I'm set up on a card table in a condo right now, and I'll show you that again tomorrow. But don't let the technical side stop you. Don't let somebody who says, well, you have to have this, that, and the other. It's just not the way it is anymore. Think of these Grammy Award-winning artists who are recording from home studios, selling multi-platinum records from stuff they recorded at home. You're going to tell me that we can't record voiceovers from home in a quality way and to do it affordably? Yeah, I don't think so. So don't let that stop you. If you want to learn more about starting and building a lucrative voiceover career, as always, I put a link below where you can schedule a phone call to find out more about my voiceover blueprint program. But I do hope you'll share, subscribe, and come back tomorrow when I give you a tour of my studio away from home. Thanks so much.